Day 2 of Snowbird Nationals. Looks good. A lot more activity. More people are coming, which is cool, and it brings the energy up, which is awesome. Make sure you hit all the buttons so you don't miss the next video. But this is day 2. We're gonna do some cool stuff. I'm in front of the FuelTech because I wanted to get a new hat because this, like I said, it's ratchet. It's been seen better days and it smells bad. So I want to see how this black truck does. I'll put links in the description for the truck. The name of the truck is Maximus. That thing is nasty. Let's take a walk down the staging lanes and a jog, because I'm gonna speed it up, and we'll see what kind of cars we have in there for the no time, because that's what we're about to see next.
My next call this morning is the mobile, the red one. Red color. Red color.
Cool thing about that, you still got good data,
right?
You know, you still got camera show, and everybody loves wheelies. It's like everybody loves cake.
Once you mess up that front bumper on that golf cart incident, might as well head for cones like that.
I mean, you might as well. What do the kids say? Send it.
Send it.
Send it. So you know how to come look at some FuelTech cars, because I like FuelTech because I have FuelTech. FuelTech is cool. So let's look at some FuelTech cars. Now they're calling the Pro Mod class those guys. So I decided to come down a little closer to the finish line for the 8th. see if, you know, well, God forbid something happens, but if something goes down and it gets too spicy, I want you to see it how I see it.
About now, the X-Men says, here I come, ready for my guy.
So you can't really see the times from way like closer to the starting line, so I decided to move closer to the time board because ProMod shows time, so I want to see what they run. I mean, I can hear it, but I want to see it. So I came down here now because it's the fun cars, the cool cars, the ones I like to see. Doing burnouts. Getting ready for their run. There's that. K-powered S2000 right there. Pretty cool. Got some Mustangs, some Camaros. It seems to be Camaro, then Mustang, then Novas. That's the order of popularity.
We can put in the trunk of Steven Chevelle.
It's about to get really loud, really quick. There you have it. That was the end of the qualifications of day 2, second round. We saw some jet trucks. Those were really cool. Saw a lot of fun stuff. Saw a lot of fast cars. It was great. I'd come every year if I could. If I can bring you some more content tomorrow, I will. If we can stay for eliminations. If we can't, we'll go back to work on the Camaro. Make sure you hit the bell, notifications, and all that good stuff. So that way, so that way you don't miss out on another video. Until then, we'll see you next time.